There are three possible ways to sell your legal services online. That is the lawyer A, B, and C method, and that is what I tagged them. The lawyer A method. Some lawyers prefer to sell their legal services this way. They start with business registration, move to IP protection, then contracts, annual returns before they achieve their desired income goal. At each stage of the ladder, at each step, at for each legal service, they keep looking for new clients. So instead of taking one client from point A, that's from company registration to website policies, they have to sell their legal services to different clients, to a good number of clients before they achieve their income goal. Some of the lawyers here thrive at selling low price one off legal services because they believe it brings in more clients, which is not necessarily true. Then there is lawyer B who prefers to sell her legal services this way: low priced courses, one off legal services, bundles of legal services, then high ticket legal services. She basically takes her audience through this process I've carefully outlined on the screen before hitting her income goal. She offers low price courses. Some lawyers sell as low as 5K. After watching the course, the audience or whoever buys the course realizes that, oh, I need this legal service. Then she offers them one off legal services. After the one off legal service, some clients may decide they want more. She offers them a bundle of legal services before offering them her high ticket legal service. The problem with lawyer A and B's method is that some of the clients who come to them, who see their contents, they already know what they want. So offering them low price one-off legal services or bundles of unrelated legal services may not get them to say yes to you. It may not get them to bring out their cards and pay for a legal service or for your legal solution. Yes, lawyer A and B's method works. It works for some lawyers because some clients just want one-off legal services. They don't want to pay for any legal solution, just want a touch and go effect, and that's okay, right? But if you're looking at attracting high priced clients, looking at attracting premium clients in the virtual law practice space, I will seriously encourage you to position like lawyer C. So let's look at lawyer C's method. Lawyer C knows her ideal client's desired outcome. She shows up as the lawyer who can help them achieve that desired outcome. She knows their pain point. She knows the pain that they're trying to relieve, right? So she shows up as the lawyer who can take them from where they are right now to where they want to be. To this end, she has put together a wholesome legal solution that helps her ideal clients make their dream come true. Instead of selling one of legal services and pushing her clients up the ladder, she's showing up for the client who knows what they want, clients who are actively looking for a lawyer to make their desired outcome, their wants, a reality. Her process looks like this: consistent content to drive DM conversations, audits, webinars, live sessions, emails to drive private conversations, which ultimately leads to high ticket sales. At the end of the day, it is up to you as a lawyer to decide who you'd like to show up as, whether as lawyer A, B, or C. It's up to you to make that decision. But if you ask me, I would strongly encourage you to show up as lawyer C. Show up for the client who is looking to invest in a legal outcome, right? A client who knows what they want. Show up for that client because those type of clients are ready and willing to invest, no matter how much you've priced the legal services, because you've shown them how you make it possible. You've shown them you understand their pain point, you understand what they want, and they will invest to get the results that they're seeking for, right? So show up with your most ideal clients in mind and don't be afraid to call them out in your content. If they come in and opt for a one-off legal service, it's totally fine. It's okay, right? The good part is they're already primed to invest and will pay you what you want, provided you give them the result they desire, right? From my experience, most of the lawyers who thrive in virtual law practice show up as lawyer C, right? This lawyer C, they show up as this lawyer C. They already have a wholesome legal solution in place for their ideal clients. They call these clients out in their content. For instance, they say early stage startup founder, high income earners who want to buy a property, first time real estate investors, filmmakers, etc. Important thing is you know who you're showing up for and you're not afraid to call them out in your content. If you have done your ideal client analysis, you have a clear mental picture of who you're showing up for. If you haven't done it, please pause this video now and do the exercise. It's important to know who you're showing up for and how you will show up for them.